So it is currently 3:16 p.m. still October 11th, Friday. It has been a few hours after I unboxed the Eureka vacuum cleaner. That video, the same day as this video. So for people who don't know me, I am Brian Park. I'm the master of this channel. I go to Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University in Daytona Beach, Florida. I'm a freshman, and I love technology. First, I will need a knife. We get a wrapping paper. And here it is, the Mophie Power Station 8000 milliamp battery, 29 hours smartphone, 11 hours for small tablet, 7 hours for large tablet. It has a USB-C input, output port, USB-A port, LED power indicator, durable fabric finish. As I mentioned earlier, it's 8000 milliamp battery. Originally, the cost is $50, but I got this in $30 because of the 20% discount. So it's a pretty good deal. This is a paper from Verizon. So I just finished my first class of today, which was psychology. Psychology isn't that hard compared to other classes. My hardest class in Embry-Riddle University is probably AS 121. That's my major, aeronautical science. That's my hardest class. There we go. If you open this box, boom. Whoa. So there's like a smell of a, what do you call, when you go to IKEA or Costco, and when there's like a gigantic long hallway with a bunch of boxes on your side, and that's what it smells like. The fresh product smell. Alright, so power for all. So it charges tablet, phone, camera, headset, gaming console, and Apple Watch, I guess. Is there anything? Yeah, it's all. It says Mophie. It's by Mophie. Stay powerful. Instruction that I might need. Okay, so connects to USB-C. So this is where the USB-C goes, and this is where the USB-A goes. So I'm using Galaxy S10 right now, and if I want to charge Galaxy S10, I would have to put the USB-A on here and charge my Galaxy S10. That same goes to my GoPro Hero 7 Black because it's using a USB-C. Nope. You press this button for 3 seconds and it's gonna turn on, I guess. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I think I gotta charge first. Okay, sure. I'll charge it. Yep, so it's currently charging. So there's like a 4 LED indication. When I put the USB-C into the USB-C port, only 1/4 of the light came out. Didn't say how many hours I have to charge it. So just for the review, it's pretty sturdy. It says durable fabric finish. Sure. Yes, it's durable. If this disturbs you, please comment down below. If you have seen my iPhone 11 Pro Max video unboxing, check that out. I also smelled a lot of iPhone 11 Pro Max, and I also smelled the Eureka vacuum cleaner too when I unboxed it today. So conclusion. It's a sturdy. It smells good. 8000 has a USB-A, USB-C. I wish it had more ports. I gotta use this for several days or maybe months. Thank you Verizon for $20 discount. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. My name is Brian Park, and I'm gonna end this video in 3, 2, 1.